What? When you know the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, no, man. Hey, a franchise is choosing one, the 10-star general, the most electrifying man on YouTube. When you know it go already when time I sound the big thing, them and drop necessary equipment. What? A loud explosion, it can't get more electrifying than that. Watch. Hear me, no, man. Right about now, you know. When you don't know in time of forward, you know. If it's not the truth, I'm not going to come talk, you know. So here what I go on right about now. Right now, first of all, big up Gaza Nation. We start the year so fucking good. Because here what I go on. Teacher have the fucking #1 trending song. And then Tommy Lee. We couldn't ask better. Right about now, you know, I don't know, you know, if the Kingstonian artists them get wicked right about now, you know, because you hear beer bloggers love push but Montego Bay. Right now, around 5-man drop song today. You know what I mean? Yeah, around 5-man drop song today. Popcorn, Quadda, Massacre, Shano. A beer song a drop. I love the vibes. I love what I see it a go turn out in a right about now. So right about now, a good song a go speaks for itself. You see what I say? What? Here what I go on now. This is not about shading Rising King, you know. This is about make him know the truth. Right now, I rate him. Because here what I'm using brain. You see me, I'm using brain and to the advantage of the game. Because here what him do. Him come out and say, well then, him run 2018. Then, a Massacre come out and say, where everybody know. The man hype up the bloggers them, you know. A freestyle thing, you know, and I'm vehicle, you know, and them parties them around him, you know. And the man hype up the bloggers them and tell them, say, go bumbuckler to review this, you know. So the bloggers them think, say, well then I strike him, I strike back for Massacre and them shit there, you know. After the word, you know, and that's why I know say, you know, every artist, you know, them watch bloggers, you know. Afterward, you know, him go watch YouTube, you know, and see say Massacre size up thing in him vehicle, you know. The man come out, you know, and like when basically I say, you know, the bloggers them too lie, you know. And that him a deal with, you know. I rich him a get rich. So it remind me, you know, where you go all in some yard, you know, where all 4 or 5 dogs there, you know. The lookless one, you know. You might as well want to make the most nice and a bark off of you, you know. But you see, anytime no eruption start, him first run go around a back, you know. So that it remind me about here what go on. When him look deep in the relation, him see say Massacre is not just an artist where hunger kill artists. All career him kill. Him know him not ready for that part of league there. Because here what go on. If a big lyrical rascal genius like I do know, now go rascal take on Massacre. Me no see how him a go do that. You see me, that youth too rough for him. And I know Joe, them too hardcore and them too rough and them have too much lyrics. You see what I deal with? You have to remember say, you know, Cartel Pitney them, you know. So you have to remember, you know, and a lollipop thing, you know. So as me I say, I love the sports and when I see I go on right about now. Because I see say the thing I open up wide right about now and a good music have to speak for itself. You see what I deal with? And a lollipop thing. A real thing me I talk about. And big respect for Tommy Lee. You know what I mean? Because we see how hard youth you face it and thing. You know what I mean? And all some boy they dead and I talk about levels. And right now the boy them where that talk about levels a beer review, I see them a fair review. So big up yourself, Tommy Lee Sparta, anywhere you're there. Or you don't know the general say a first class thing. You hear that? Watch. And here what go on about now. We have the days them a countdown now for March. So, you can look for any time now for the loud explosion. A big holiday Gaza Nation. If we dominate, listen to me. If Cartel stay in a prison and can be the most electrifying dancehall artist ever, we make them hundreds, thousands, and millions watch and hear and know that. You know what I mean? So when him there road, what go on right now? Uno no see a loud explosion. Uno no see another lollipop thing. What? The general, the most electrifying man on YouTube. Watch 10 star way. Watch.